Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics but move quickly. Test the outlet and a power strip with another device to rule out external power faults. Once done, disconnect the power brick, HDMI, and any USB devices so nothing draws current or causes shorts. Then perform a hard power cycle. Press and hold the Xbox button for 10 seconds to drain capacitors, unplug the power for 10 minutes, and allow residual charge to dissipate. This often clears firmware or stuck standby issues. Next, you focus on the power path and physical signs. Look at the power brick indicator. White or orange means it's getting power. No light means the brick or wall socket is suspect. If possible, swap to a verified good cable and outlet to isolate the issue. Then inspect the console externally. Any burn smell, bulging seams, damaged ports, or loose panels can point to internal failure. If you see those, power should remain off, and you'll need professional repair or warranty service. Finally, you attempt software recovery and last resort steps. With the console unplugged, reconnect only power, then hold the bind and eject buttons while pressing the Xbox button to enter recovery. Choose offline system update if available, as that repairs corrupted OS files. Make sure peripherals are minimal to avoid conflicts, and only perform a factory reset if you've backed up profiles. If the console still won't power on, contact support with the serial number, any error light patterns, and the diagnostic steps you've already done.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.